don't know what the buy box is, it's your ability to just instantly add something to cart. This is on amazon.com.au. So here I can just instantly buy it now or add it to cart. And that process, the ability to do that, is called having the buy box versus there's nobody else selling this product. But if other people are selling the same product, then somebody has got the buy box, somebody hasn't got the buy box. Actually, in Europe, thanks to a recent EU ruling, Amazon now has to have 2 buy boxes on all of their listings. They can't just have 1, they need to have 2. So that's an interesting kind of game changer here in Europe. But anyway, that is having the buy box, and it is massively important for your Amazon listing to have the buy box. So then that begs the question, how on earth do you get the buy box? What are the most important factors when it comes to actually having the buy box? Okay, this is actually apparently, allegedly, this is Amazon's own internal matrix. Clearly, the most important thing out of anything you can do, as far as Amazon's concerned, to get the buy box is the fulfillment method. And on Amazon.com, that's FBA or something called Seller Fulfilled Prime. But that's the most important thing. For everybody else, it would just be FBA. Okay, so if you are FBA and somebody is not FBA, then the chances are you will get the buy box just by virtue of the fact that you're using FBA and they're not. Okay, which is a massive, massive bump in conversions. The price is also hugely important. Lower is better. That sucks, especially when you're trying to optimize price. But if you're the only game in town, then you can optimize your own prices. Order percentage wise, so number of people who've ordered your product and then received your product, basically seller feedback, you know. The shipping time, how long it takes to get something. And again, that probably comes back to FBA. Like if you're using FBA, then you're going to have a much higher, better shipping time, one would assume. And then you've got medium things like the order defect rate, the feedback score you're getting, the number of times it's. So notice how important delivery is to getting the buy box. So feedback score, that's usually a function of delivery, on-time delivery, valid tracking rate, late shipment rates, response times. These are all FBA things. So I think arguably the number one way to get it is to just be FBA. Like if you just do that, then that ought to give you the vast majority of the high impact elements associated with actually winning and getting the buy box as a seller. Super, super cool. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.